Along that same vein, let's talk about, if I give you the graph, can you come up with the equation of the line? So remember, lines are written y equals mx plus b, so we need to figure out what our slope is and what our y-intercept is. For this graph here, the y-intercept is this point right here at +1, where we cross the y-intercept. And then we'll do rise over run to figure out what our slope is. You can use any of these points here where the line crosses my grid at nice pretty corners. Don't use anything that's like a half. I know it's hard to tell in this graph, but maybe when you do your homework it'll make more sense. Okay, so I can use any of these 2 points. How much do I have to rise and how much do I have to run forward to get to the next point? So I'm going to start here. I go rise. Up is the positive direction, so up 1, 2, 3, and forward 1, 2. So my slope here, up is a positive direction. My slope is 3/2, so my equation of the line is y equals 3/2 x plus 1. I can do the same thing for this graph to the right here. Y equals mx plus b. My b value is where it crosses the y axis, so that is +2. And then I can use any of these points here where this graph crosses my grid at a nice pretty spot. So I had to rise down 1, down is a negative direction, and then go forward 2. Or you could go down 2 and forward 4. Just make sure you simplify your fraction if you do that.